Hang rasa nasi mana yang paling disukai ramai? Hamba lah nasi yang orang paling suka kan?
Haiya, I am the most fun ma. So much so, the kids love me best. Unlike you.
I am the boldest rice in Malaysia. Saya berani kerana benar.
We have whole festivals about rice, ba. We are the most beloved rice in Malaysia.
Come on now, everyone. It's not a race.
Hamba yang
orang
termasuk.
jaga rice festival,
Everyone
sedap
sedang
kan?
gaduh.
Apakah
Itu alien ni. Kita kenapa ni?
Could it be our mothership?
Everybody calm down. Sweet, spicy, salty, sticky. We may all appear to be different, but we are all the same on the inside. We are all loved by the people of Malaysia. We must ingrain unity among all the different rices.
It's really her.
Amma is truly the most beloved rice in Malaysia. For years.
Nasi Lemak.
Moral of the story: don't be racist.
Nasi dah jadi bubur.